this month in October, I've been bringing you all kind of different crazy makeup looks for Halloween. So this one was my last one. I did it live on Facebook, and as you can see from the heading picture, it's Wonder Woman. So stay tuned to see how I got this look. As you can see, I went in with my brows and my eye makeup first, and the eye makeup is kind of like my basic everyday eye makeup look with, you know, the dark outer V, the gold on the lid. It's kind of what I normally do, but I added some gold glitter to my lid. So that's what you just saw there. And now I'm going in with my eyeliner, and I got a really nice wing going on. So I really wanted this to be like the cartoon version of Wonder Woman, not the Wonder Woman from the movies that we see today, but you know, that old school kind of pop art Wonder Woman. So now I'm going in with my Bronze Number 3 foundation. And I'm just putting these mainly in the areas where it needs to be. I'm not really putting it all over my face. In the areas that I kind of left open, I'm going in with the Bronze Number 1 foundation. So I highlighted with the Bronze Number 1. Now I'm going back in to do some more highlighting with the Mary Kay concealer. And if you are interested in Mary Kay, make sure you check out my website in the description bar. I love this concealer. Every other concealer that I tried just did not work for me, so I had to go back and get what worked. So now I'm going to set that very quickly with my Mary Kay pressed powder. And you can set your makeup with pressed powder, loose powder, whatever you like. Okay, so now I need to get my contour really snatched. Jennifer Hudson. No, I don't even know how I would look like Jennifer Hudson. I would probably have to put on like a short wig or something. I'll show y'all the wig. Okay. This is the wig that I'm wearing, and it's flexi rodded, and those flexi rods have been marinating for a long time, so I'm really excited to see what the curls look like. And I thought that it would be perfect for this look, because I need the, you know, the voluminous curls and stuff. So now I'm going in and doing my illuminating and my contouring and my blush and all of that good stuff. And I am using my Actilabs products. So make sure you check out that link below. As you can see, the people on the video were trying to guess. They really didn't figure out who I was until like the very end. I figured if I started with the headpiece, people would automatically know. That's why I saved that for the end. So now I'm going in with my Mary Kay Jet Black Gel Eyeliner, and I'm just doing my like comic lines. And these lines basically mimic the areas of the face where it's naturally defined. So like the contour, you know, the bridge of the nose, the forehead wrinkles, and all of that kind of stuff. So for this, if you are recreating this, you can just have fun with this. Now I'm going in with this face paint that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, and I really did like this paint. The paint that I got from Walmart that I use for my pumpkin look, I did not like that. This paint right here is like a water-based face paint, so you kind of mix it the same way you would with like the old-fashioned watercolor paint that we used to use back in the day. So I really enjoyed this. I just had me a little spray bottle with some water, and I just kind of, you know, sprayed it to dampen it as I needed it. While that first coat was drying, I went back in with the eyeliner to outline my lips, to do my little chin line. I also went in with some white to kind of give that little comic book highlight. And this look has been something that I've been wanting to do ever since the movie came out. So for Halloween, I was like, this is so perfect. I had just got me a Wonder Woman shirt from Walmart, so my outfit and everything was just already put together. So I was just so excited about this look. Then I went in with the red to have my little star at the top. Now for the wig, as I said, these flexi rods have been sitting in this wig for almost forever, feels like. I wore this wig at the photo shoot that I had, and I rented this wig out. This wig has been everywhere. It's a longer wig, so I decided to curl it so that I can kind of get like a different look. And when I tell you I love the look, the hair was so big and fluffy and voluminous, and it was just everything. These flexi rocks actually came from the Dollar Tree, so I really love these. I like these better than the ones that I got from Sally's. So if you ever see flexi rocks in the Dollar Tree, make sure that you buy them. I went back in with my brow powder. Some mascara, and this was my shirt. And I have to put on my Lasso of Truth set. That's what we're going to call this set today, the Lasso of Truth set. And if y'all are interested, $5.50, hit me up. So this is the look. I have on my Wonder Woman shirt and my Wonder Woman makeup, and I'm gonna go through and comb out these curls some more so that it can get elongated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my last look for October, and yeah, I'll see y'all in November. I already got some stuff planned. I got a lot more hair videos planned for November. I got some 613 hair that we're gonna color and all of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next live video, YouTube video, wherever I see you guys at.